Hi viewers, hope you are well. In this video, I will show you how to convert a Pinterest personal account to a business account. Let's get started. For do this, first we need to log in our personal account. So here in this video, I will log in with my Google email. So as you see, our personal account is being logged in, right? After login, you will find an option here, the right corner of your screen. There is a round circle which is mentioned for your account details. If you expand this section, you will find an option convert to business. When you click this option, then your account will be converted to business Pinterest business account. Another way you can do is by clicking your profile photo, then sorry. Another way you can do this by creating your profile, clicking your profile, then view profile. Under view profile, there is option is edit profile. When you click edit profile, there is an option account management. Here, within account management, there is an option convert to business account, and then you need to click convert account. Your personal account will be then transformed into a convert account. Here, what is means for a business account. With a business account, we will have access to tools like ads and analytics to grow your business on Pinterest. So if you want to run ads and on Pinterest, then you need to have a business account, and also when you run ads, you would have a tools like analytics, so you could see how your ads are performing there. So that's it. I hope this video will help you to convert your personal account into a Pinterest business account and run your campaign to grow your business in this channel as well. Pinterest is popularizing day by day. More and more people are considering this platform seriously. So in future, and there here one of the important thing is here the competition is very low. If you could take this advantage, there is an great opportunity to grow your business and expand your uh, marketing and sales through this platform as well. In next video, I'll show you how to do conversion tracking for Pinterest platform. Uh, there will be a series of video. In first video, I will cover how to configure the base code of Pinterest on your website so that someone who visit your website through Pinterest ad, your you could send that info to Pinterest platform to optimize your campaign as well as record as conversion tracking. And the process is similar like Facebook conversion tracking, but a few difference there I will discuss in details that option here. So that's it. Take care. I hope you remain good. Goodbye. See you in the next video.